Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique, where we dive deep into the best products out there to help you craft your next masterpiece. Today, we're exploring the best embroidery floss in pastel colors, the Friendship Bracelet String from XLSFPY. This amazing kit comes with 50 vibrant skeins, and I can't wait to show you why it's a must-have for any craft enthusiast. So, let's get started. Right out of the box, you'll notice the stunning variety of colors. This set features an incredible range of 50 different pastel shades, perfect for making friendship bracelets, embroidery, or any DIY project you can dream up. The colors are rich and vivid, making your creations pop with brightness. As I unbox this set, let me highlight a few key features. Each skein is about 8.75 yards long, giving you plenty of material to work with. The total length is a whopping 315 inches per skein, so whether you're crafting small or large projects, you won't run out anytime soon. One of the standout features of this embroidery floss is its flexibility. It's made from high-quality cotton, which means it's strong yet soft, making it easy to work with and ideal for detailed designs. Plus, you won't have to worry about it fraying or falling apart, which can be a hassle with lower-quality threads. Now, let's talk about versatility. This embroidery floss is perfect for a variety of projects. You can create beautiful friendship bracelets or use it for cross-stitching, tassels, or even holiday decorations. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned crafter, this floss will inspire your creativity and help you make something truly special. Check out some of these amazing projects I've made with this floss. Each bracelet showcases a different color combination, highlighting how well these pastel hues work together. The colors blend beautifully, allowing for endless design possibilities. You can mix and match to create a unique piece that reflects your personal style. What's great about this kit is that it makes for an excellent gift, too. Whether it's for your mom, grandma, or a crafty friend, sharing the joy of creating something together can be a wonderful bonding experience. Imagine sitting down with loved ones, making crafts, and enjoying the process of creating art together. Each skein also comes with color tags, which is a thoughtful touch. This makes it easy to keep your workspace organized, and you'll always know which color you're using, especially when working on larger projects. In summary, the XLSFPY Friendship Bracelet String is the best embroidery floss out there for pastel lovers. With 50 vibrant colors, generous lengths, and high-quality cotton, you'll have everything you need to create beautiful pieces that you'll cherish for years to come. Thanks for watching this episode of Product Critique. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more product reviews and crafting tips. Let us know in the comments what you'd like us to review next, and happy crafting!